This is a guitar lesson for guys by 1975. This lesson also comes with a free tab download, a free interactive tab if you want to play along with the rhythms, and also comes with the chords and the lyrics. So if you want to grab that above or below after the lesson, do so. And also remember to hit like and subscribe to keep up to date for all the latest lessons that I release here in this channel every Friday. Let's get into it. Okay, so to play Guys by 1975, you're going to need a capo on the 2nd fret. We begin with an E add 9 chord. Now to play E add 9, it is simply E major, but take off your ring finger, get that pinky on up to the 4th fret from the capo. And dropping your thumb will help here. Now if you play by ear, I'm just going to play the 2 bars so you can hear how it goes. 3, 4. Okay, if you play by ear, that is how it goes, and you see the repeat marks. Now, if you play it by reading, you'll see it's done as follows. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Like that. You're going to change to the E on the offbeat of 4. I'll do that one more time. And you see I have the down and ups written above. So you repeat that. Now after that, and this is just the intro so far, you go from A sus2 to the A. And again, note that you change to A on the offbeat of 4. So it goes. You go again. Like that. So those 2 lines make up the intro. Now the thing about the intro is it is so similar to the verse. We'll take a look at the verse now. Okay, so now in the verse you'll see we have our E add 9 again, changing to that E chord, and we repeat that. So again, that's what we had already with. And again. Next line. So we'll have to take a look at that second line. We get A sus2 with an F sharp bass. That is simply, right, if you get an A chord, get your index up to the 2nd fret of E, and then from there, get those 2 fingers on. And gives us that nice sounding A sus2 with an F sharp bass. Again, the rhythm will be the same. It's just we don't change chord. Now then you see in the 3rd bar there with the A sus2 in that line we get A sus2 and that covers those 2 bars. Now so that is our verse in total. Okay, so I'll play those 2 lines all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dun, 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 like that, with some rough singing for mini guidance. So now we get the chorus. And the thing about the chorus is we're in legit bar chords for this. You have G sharp minor, C sharp minor 7, sorry, and that G sharp minor is a 7 too. Then you have F sharp minor 7, and then a B. And again, I don't know, you can play your B that way or this way. Both work well. The rhythm will be the same. It's just now we're changing on bar chords. So it goes 3, 4. Again. So we do that line 3 times. Best thing that ever happened just change the first chord with an E. The best thing that ever happened, repeat again. You want the best thing that ever happened, and then back in. We're back into our chords for the verse from there. Now, this song just goes verse, chorus, verse, chorus. Those are all the sections. So again, if you want to grab your free download, feel free to do so. And I also have other 1975 songs taught as well. They should pop up right about now. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching to the end. If you have any questions, as I've said, just post a comment below. I'll be happy to answer. Remember to sub to keep up to date for all the latest lessons. And remember, you can grab your free download above.